This popsicle is the best thing I ever had in my whole life. I'm eating it all by myself. That Bobby sure knows how to give a kid a good time. Baba. Rah-rah. Popsicles sure are good. Where'd you go? Oh, there you go. Two hands. Okay, just one hand. So good. Very cold in my hand, but it feels good in my mouth. Cold in my hand. Cold, 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 cold in my hand. Cold in my hand. Feels good though. Good in my mouth. So good. I could just eat this popsicle forever. Okay, bye. Okay. Trying to shut off the camera. Not so easy.